Welcome to you Animal Planet X. Watching video, and please like, share and subscribe. The fascinating world of sheep, more than just wool. Sheep, often associated with pastoral landscapes and woolly coats, are one of the oldest domesticated animals in human history. Beyond their traditional image as livestock raised for wool, meat, and milk, sheep have unique and complex lives that extend far beyond farming. These animals are not only vital to agriculture, but have also played a significant role in culture, economics, and even science. This essay explores some interesting and lesser-known facts about sheep that highlight their importance, intelligence, and unique behaviors. The ancient history of sheep domestication. Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago, likely in the Near East, from wild species like the mouflon, a small wild sheep still found in parts of Europe and Asia. The domestication of sheep marked a significant turning point in human history, contributing to the rise of agriculture and the development of settled societies. Early human civilizations valued sheep for their wool, milk, and meat, which provided vital resources that helped support growing populations. Interestingly, sheep were among the first animals to be domesticated primarily for their wool. Unlike other domesticated animals, such as cows or pigs, which were mainly bred for food, sheep were initially valued for their ability to produce fibers that could be spun into textiles. This wool, a renewable resource, played a central role in the development of early textile industries and helped establish wool as a crucial commodity in ancient trade routes. Sheep and their role in agriculture. In modern farming, sheep are versatile animals that serve several purposes, from providing wool and meat to offering natural fertilization for fields. Sheep are particularly well suited for grazing on grasslands, and their grazing habits are beneficial for maintaining open landscapes and preventing the overgrowth of weeds. As herbivores, they consume a wide variety of plants, including grasses, shrubs, and even some types of weeds, which helps to keep pastures healthy and free from invasive species. Their manure, which is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, acts as a natural fertilizer that can enhance soil quality and boost crop production. This makes sheep an environmentally friendly option for farmers looking to reduce their reliance on chemical fertilizers. In many parts of the world, sheep are raised not only for their products, but also as a part of rotational grazing systems that help maintain ecological balance. Sheep's incredible sense of memory. One of the most surprising facts about sheep is their impressive cognitive abilities, especially when it comes to memory. Research has shown that sheep have the ability to recognize and remember faces, both of other sheep and humans, for up to 2 years. In studies, sheep have been shown to be able to recognize and differentiate between the faces of more than 50 individual sheep, and they can also remember human faces. This remarkable ability to form lasting memories helps sheep in social situations, enabling them to maintain stable relationships within their flocks. The ability to recognize faces may not seem extraordinary at first, but when you consider that sheep have relatively small brains and are prey animals, this becomes even more impressive. Their capacity for memory likely helps them identify dominant members of their flock and avoid potential threats. For example, a sheep might remember the face of a dominant ewe, allowing it to avoid unnecessary conflicts, or alter its behavior in response to the presence of a potential threat. Sheep and their social behavior. Sheep are highly social animals, and their behavior in groups is governed by a well-organized social structure. A flock is typically led by a dominant ewe, and the other sheep follow a hierarchy based on age, size, and experience. Sheep are known to form strong bonds with their flock members, and when one sheep is separated from the group, it can experience stress and anxiety. This is one reason why sheep are often found in large groups. Being part of a flock is vital for their emotional and physical well-being. The bond between mother and lamb is particularly strong. Ewes will often call to their lambs with a distinctive bleat, and lambs are capable of recognizing their mother's voice shortly after birth. This attachment is crucial for the lamb's survival, as it helps the young animal stay close to its mother for warmth, food, and protection from predators. Interestingly, sheep also have a strong sense of empathy. Studies have shown that sheep will become distressed if they see another sheep in distress. In some experiments, sheep have been observed to attempt to comfort a distressed flockmate, demonstrating a level of social awareness and empathy that is often underestimated in non-human animals. Sheep's role in science and medicine. Beyond their agricultural significance, sheep have also made valuable contributions to the fields of science and medicine. Due to their physiological similarities to humans, sheep have been used in numerous medical studies, including research on heart disease, reproductive health, and even brain function. One of the most famous uses of sheep in science was the cloning of Dolly, the first mammal to be cloned from an adult somatic cell. Dolly, a ewe, was cloned in 1996 by a team of scientists at the Roslin Institute in Scotland. This groundbreaking achievement sparked worldwide discussions about the ethics of cloning and opened new doors for research in genetics, stem cells, and biotechnology. Dolly's birth marked a pivotal moment in scientific history, demonstrating that it was possible to clone complex organisms using adult cells. In addition to cloning, sheep have been used in studies on heart disease and organ transplantation. Their large size and anatomical similarities to humans make them ideal subjects for studying human diseases and testing potential treatments. For example, sheep have been used to study the effects of atherosclerosis and to test the viability of heart valve replacements and artificial organs. The diversity of sheep breeds. Sheep come in a wide variety of breeds, each with distinct characteristics that make them well suited to different climates, purposes, and environments. There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide, with each breed offering specific benefits. Some breeds are prized for their fine wool, while others are raised primarily for meat or milk production. The Merino sheep, for example, is one of the most well-known wool breeds. Native to Spain, Merinos are highly valued for their soft, fine wool, which is used in luxury fabrics. In contrast, the Suffolk breed is primarily raised for its meat, known for its lean, tender lamb. Meanwhile, dairy sheep, such as the East Frisian breed, are renowned for their high milk production, which is used to make cheese and yogurt. In some parts of the world, sheep are also valued for their distinctive appearance. The Jacob sheep, for instance, is a rare breed known for its striking black and white patches and multiple horns. This breed, which dates back to biblical times, is often seen in historical reenactments and has a place in folklore. Conclusion. Sheep are much more than just a source of wool, meat, and milk. These fascinating animals play important roles in agriculture, the environment, and even the fields of science and medicine. Their remarkable social behaviors, cognitive abilities, and emotional intelligence make them far more complex than most people realize. Whether recognized for their contribution to the world's wool industry, their environmental benefits, or their surprising empathy, sheep are far more interesting than their reputation as simple farm animals suggests. As we continue to learn more about these remarkable creatures, it becomes clear that sheep are not only a vital part of the past, but also a valuable asset to our future.